Hell yeah.
Hey, what's up guys? Today I bring you a project update video. My last project update video I filmed a couple weeks ago and it did pretty well, so I thought you guys would like to see another one. So here's what I got done so far. Within the last couple weeks I got all the wood off on this side, as you can see. I've grinded down some rust, I fixed a dent on the hood, started the rear quarter panel patch panels. And it's quite a bit of work back here. It's gonna take quite some time. I've been having a friend help me, and man, I didn't notice all the body lines that were in these Jeeps, like here, and then there's one right here. Oops, right here. Put some primer on it so then you can see the body lines. You can't ever see anything when everything is very light colored. Put black over anything and you'll be able to see everything, but it's slowly coming along. We glued it on with panel bond, and yeah, it's coming along. Sadly, I can't get this bumper off, and I really need it to come off. But I got the front bumper off. Hopefully this one will come off soon. Tried heating up the bolts, put acetone and automatic transmission fluid on the front bolts, and it came right off. So still got to work on this. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for Sunday Wagoneer upload videos. My name is Garrett, and I'm currently restoring a 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. And if this is your first time seeing the Wagoneer, as you can see, it's a ton of work. So be sure to subscribe below for a weekly upload, because I'll be trying to restore every bit of this Jeep, and it is quite the process. So hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a like. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day, and we'll see you in the next one.